Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some past year JEE problems. Okay, so now today we are going to solve some AEEE 2005 maths problems. Okay, so I'm telling you all the time that the level of AEEE and JEE mains is almost equal, so solving the AEEE problems may help you. Let's see the first one. This is from the area under the curve chapter. Area of the greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is. So they say that if we have a ellipse that's x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So this is my ellipse. This is my ellipse. Then the greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the circle. Now see, if we draw the rectangle like this, then the coordinate of this must be a cos theta comma b sin theta, because this a cos theta and b sin theta are the arbitrary variable, that is x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. If you put this in this equation, you will get satisfied. The coordinates must be get satisfied. Put here x is equal to a cos theta, so it's a square theta, a square gets cancel out, so we have cos square theta. Similarly, here we have sin square theta, so cos square plus sin square is equal to 1. Similarly, all 4 points must satisfy this equation. This is the arbitrary variable equation for ellipse, a cos theta plus b sin theta. Both are positive because it is in first quadrant. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive, and third both negative, and in fourth x positive and y negative. So I just mark all the coordinate. Now tell me, what is this length? This length, this straight line, it has 2a cos theta. Similar, you can easily find out by the distance formula also, or you can have, yeah, this is a very easy thing to find out. It is simply 2b sin theta, because here it is y coordinate, this length is y coordinate, is b sin theta, here also it's b sin theta, so its total length is 2b sin theta. Similarly here, this length is 2a cos theta. Now the area is length into width, so just multiply this 2 and you will get the answer. Area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 2a cos theta into 2b sin theta. That means 2ab into 2ab into 2 cos theta into sin theta, that means sin 2 theta. So we have the area, that is 2ab sin 2 theta. Now they say that the area of the greatest rectangle is equals to 2ab. We all know that area of the greatest rectangle is equals to 2ab. Why? Because the maximum value of sin 2 theta is 1. We can take the maximum value of sin 2 theta is 1, because the range of sin theta is from -1 to 1. So the area of the greatest rectangle is 2ab. Very simple thing. Okay, so this is a very good sum. Let's see one more. This is from AEEE 2005, from the differential equation. What they say, the differential equation representing the family of curve y square is equal to 2c into x plus square root of c, where c greater than 0 as a parameter is of order degree as follows. So this the same type of sum we solved in the previous video. We have to find out the order and degree of the differential equation. Now I told you at that time also, the degree is equal to, sorry, the order and degree can be found out by the arbitrary constant. Here arbitrary constant is only one, that is c. So the order must be 1, because order is equal to the number of arbitrary constants, so order must be 1. So here order must be 1, so we have only 3 options here, 1, 3 and 2. 4 is never my option, this can't be my option. Now for finding the degree, we have to find the differential equation, and for finding the differential equation we have to differentiate this equation. Okay, let's do that. Y square is equal to 2c x plus square root of c. Just differentiate this, it becomes 2 by y dash, that means 0 by dx is equals to 2c common, and x differentiation 1 is root c's differentiation is 0, so we have 2c into 1, that means 2 gets cancel out here, this 2 and this 2 gets cancel out, so we have y dash is equal to c. So now y dash is equal to c, that means c is equal to y dash. From this equation number 2 put in this equation number 1 at everywhere. So we have here c, so I put y dash here. Here we have x plus here we have y dash. Now we have to simplify this equation. Okay. Now for simplifying this, what we are going to do is multiply this 2y dash here. So what we have? We have here, just multiply this, y square is equal to 2y dash into x plus root of y dash. Now we have to simplify this equation, and if we simplify this equation, we have y minus 2xy dash whole square is equal to 4y dash cube. Now how we are going to simplify this? We have to adjust the middle term. See here, if we expand this, I have y square first of all. Okay, then I have minus we have 4 then x y dash 4x y and y dash 4x y dash. Okay, I have 4x y dash, and then last term, and see here, you can easily see here it is 2x y dash, and if I multiply here this, it becomes 2y dash raised to 3 by 2. So I just do it both the side cube. So you have to just simplify this equation, and you will get the answer, that is order is equal to 1 and degree is equal to 3. Here degree is 3. Okay, so the right option number is 3. 3 is my right option. Okay, see friends, the next sum is from year 2005, and this is a very good sum, base sum till nowadays, I can say like this, the one of the top 10 sums. This is from that kind of sum. Okay, very good sum. See, limit n tends to infinite, 1 upon n square sec square 1 by n square plus 2 upon n square sec square 4 by n square plus up to 2 plus 1 upon n square sec square 1. Now see, this is one kind of summation series. Here you can see, here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 1 4 up to it's going. So the common form is r by n. You can form a common form, that is limit n tends to infinite. We have these things, 1 upon n square sec square 1 upon n square plus 2 by n square sec square 4 by n square 3 by n square sec square 9 by n square up to 1 upon n sec square 1 is equals to, you can write it like same, limit n tends to infinite. Here the increasing in same order, so it's r upon n square sec square r by n square, r square by n square, because it's 1, it's 4 here, it's 9 here, so it's r square by n square. Now this thing I missed to write down the summation. Here it is summation of n r is equal to 1 to r is equal to n. If you take r is equal to 1, then we have 1 upon n square sec square 1 by n square, and if you have r is equal to n, then you have r here n, so we have only 1 by n here, and r square n gets cancelled out, so we have sec square 1. Okay, understand? So this is a very good sum, and here this is sigma here. So sigma can be written as integration. Sigma summation is always a one type of integration. So what I do, I take r by n, is equals to x. Take r by n is equals to x. So if r by n is equals to x, then dr by n is equal to dx. Okay, so r by n is equal to x, so we have x here, then we have r square by n square is equal to x square, then 1 by n. Okay, then 1 by n, dr is equal to 1 by n into dx. That means we have finally this equation. Now for about limits, for r by n we have x, for sec square x, we have r square by n square, we have x square, and for dr, for 1 by n we have dx. Okay, for 1 by n we have dx. Now for the value of limit, I told you at that time, we are taking r by n is equals to what? X. Now see, the value of r is from 1 to n. Now first you take r is equal to 1. If you take r is equal to 1, you have x is equal to 1 by n, but n tends to infinite, that means x tends to 0. Understood? R is equal to 1, so we have 1 by n, but n tends to infinite, that means x tends to 0. So our lower limit is 0. See here, our lower limit is 0. Now you have to put r is equal to n. R is equal to, R is ranging from 1 to n. So for lower limit we take R is equal to 1, for upper limit we take R is equal to n. Now take R is equal to n, so n gets cancelled out, and we have we have x is equal to 1. So our upper limit is x is equal to 1. So my final integration is 0 to 1 x square x into x square dx. Now again I have to assume one thing, so I have to take assumption, so I multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So now I take x square is equal to t, that means 2x dx is equal to dt. So this 2x dx becomes dt, and here we have sec square t, and sec square t's integration is 10t. Now limit is same, because if you put x is equal to 0, t is equal to 0. If you put 1, then t is equal to 1. So limit is same, 0 to 1. Here we have 1 by 2. Integration of sec square t is 10t from 0 to 1. Now put if tan 1 is, if I put upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit that is tan 1 minus tan 0, that is 0. So we have finally 1 by 2 tan 1. Understood? Very good sum. Summation can be represented as integration, and how we are getting the limits. The important thing, you can get this idea, that is, this thing is dx, this thing is x, this x square, but how to evaluate limit is most important thing, and I have told you this a very good manner. Okay, so please concentrate on this sum. This is a very good sum. We are solving algebraic problems from last almost 1 week, so please watching, and if you have any doubt or query, ask me. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.